2005 we started, and the boiling issue was, I hope you all heard about the Kujira people who revolted against the dumping of the garbage in their village. It started there. So from that time, we started creating awareness in Sholi on segregation of garbage. And that was the main thing, was the segregation of plastic, because plastic was the boiling issue. From then on, it took us almost another 5 years just to create this awareness with the school children. 2010, with the late Wendell Rodriguez, we launched the plastic collection. Okay, the plastic collection started from then in 2010. And from then on, it went on, and we hope today that many of you all are giving your plastic or your segregated waste to the panchayat. Okay. So from then, in 2008, I was nominated to the church committee in the social and heritage committee, where we were celebrating the centenary of the church. So there we went around in the village to find out some important structures, or people had some collection with them of the old artifacts, and we exhibited that for the program on the final day of the centenary. There we saw this Dovornen, which was in a very, you can check on the banner. After that, you please check and see on the banner what was there. And I approached Torkato that time. Mr. Shiralo was in the Panjim. And then that's the time we gave a letter to them and told them that this has to be restored. I thought it would be done very early, and I met my friend, Mr. Braz, Siolkars Gamso, and he composed a beautiful song on Dovornen in 2010.
Before Victory does that, just to explain, this is what the Dovornen will look like. We are planning to do a fiberglass sculpture of the lady sitting in front of the Dovornen. We couldn't do it now because it takes a very long time to do it. So this is what it will look like, say, after about 3-4 months. Thank you.
When you walk in, the sky, it was almost touching the sky. It was so beautiful. Relating the house to the Dovornen. आमच्या व्हडल्या घरांनी भायर बालकांव आसतालो, सोपे आसताले, आनी त्या सोप्यांचेर जो कोण रस्त्या वरसून वेतालो आनी तो टायर्ड जाल्लो आसतालो, तो जर येवन बसत जाल्यार ताका केन्नाच विचारिनासले. ताका एकूच विचारताले, बाबा उदक घेतलो, and they would always give a piece of coconut, katli, and God to eat. In fact, it's, since we are talking about heritage, this is part of our heritage. As आमी कोणी येत जाल्यार ताका च्या दिता, कोक दिता, which is not too good for us. Try this out. दुसऱ्या फावटी तुमगेर कोणी आयलो, गोडाचो कुडको आनी katli दी with a glass. And you see, it works much better than that 70-80 rupees worth Gatorade bottle. It really works. And the best part of that is, even people having diabetes can have that. So this is part of that. So there was a place called as Balkaun in these houses, and we have got this. And I relate this, the Dovornen, to our mobile. As आमी घरा कडेन बसता आनी सगळ्यांचे बाबा हाणें कितें केलें, ताणें कितें केलें, हांव कितें जेवलो, तूं कितें जेवलो, सगळे आमी ते हाजेर घालतात. This was the place to get information from the other village. हांगा उबो रावपाचो, कोण पाटलो घेवन आयलो, बाबा कितें जालें रे, कितें कोण कोणा बरोबर धांवलें आनी कितें जालें, कोणाचे काजार चल्लां. Information booths. Today when we have to tell people, when you say Dovornen, it becomes very difficult. तांकां कळना की Dovornen हो वर्ड आयला दवरप, हाजेर कितें दवरताले म्हण ताका Dovornen म्हण आयला. There are other Dovornens. आनी रस्त्याच्या कुशीक आसली हें आयज म्हणटा आमी. खरें तर आमी म्हणूंक जाय रस्तो Dovornच्या कुशीक आसलो. Today we have to understand that our ancestors, आमचे जे दायजी आसले ताजे वयरसून दायज म्हणटा तो वर्ड आयलो, तांणी ही बांदली कित्याक? पयलीं गाडयो नासल्यो, सगळ्यांकडे गाडे आनी घोड्याच्या गाडयेर भोंवपाची तांक नासली. तेन्ना ते आपणाची तकलेर वजें घेवन ह्या गांवांसून त्या गांवांत बाजाराक वताले. बिरेस्तारा दीस बाणस्तारी बाजार आसतालो, शुक्रारा दिसा म्हापशां बाजार आसता. तेच पांटे सोंपोंक ना ते तकलेर मारून ते म्हापशां बाजाराक येताले. ताज्या दुसऱ्या दिसा बिचोली येताले. अशें घेवन आमी भोंवताले. आमी चडशे लोक आतां 45 हाच्या वयर आसात आनी क्वायट अ लॉट ऑफ चिल्ड्रन आर देर ओवर हियर. पूण तुमकां याद जातली, पयलीं आमकां बाजारांत धाडटा आसतना हातान पोती दिताले कपड्याची. आयज जर ती भुरग्यांच्या हातान दीत, शे म्हणटा ते. They feel bad about it. Today the whole world is changing. They will give plastic bag म्हणटा. And plastics, that what Gregory Bob said. And I'm very thankful to him for putting his roots so deep in this village called as Sholi that today I see a rebirth of this Dovornen. तर लोक आपणाच्या हातान बॅगां घेवन भोंवपाक लज दिसनासली. आयज ते हॅबिट गेला. घरा कडेन बसतात, तो मोबायल काडटा, टीक 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 करून बटन दामता आनी तो हाडून तुमकां जाय तें घरा कडेन दिता. जेवण जावं. हांव एकदां म्हणजे बायलेकूय सांगता की तूं रागार जाल्या पळय न्हू, म्हाका कांयच भंय ना, टीक टीक करून जेवण घरा कडेन येतलें म्हणून. टुडे थिंग्स हॅव गॉन अ लिटल ahead for us. When we talk about the Dovornen, it was this Dovornen that brought us the food from different places. आयज आमच्या भुरग्यांनी हांगा हाडून तुमकां दाखयलें कशें दवरताले ते. Many of the places that I have gone in Goa, I have seen Dovornes. आयज ना ती. पूण I will just tell you a few things about this Dovornen. This Dovornen is very unique. Unique because it is made for people of two different heights. Normally, हे Dovornen आसताले ते खानाच्या सकयल आनी बेणाच्या वयर. कारण जेन्ना तो तकलेर पांटलो आसतालो तो काडून हांगा दवरचो पडटालो. आनी जो मनीस तो मातसो धाकटो आसता ताका त्रास जातालो वयर दवरपाक. So you have got something down there. Also, something I really appreciated. What the people have done today, you Siolkars and Portawar, the people have done today. Amazing. That is, there is a pot of kanji kept over there. आमच्या मध्ये आलिंद बाब कोयल आहा. He is a member of the Goa Heritage Action Group. They are doing fantastic job over here. But this gentleman, he always goes around with that mobile of his. And please, if you have not become his friends on the Facebook, please become. Because the amount of photographs that he has put about the mansions, about the houses of Goa, अजाप जावपाचें काम. आमच्या गोंयांत जी घरां आसा, he has brought that thing to our doorstep. In fact, today when I came, my good friend and my icon, Alexis, ताका हांव कार्टुनिस्ट म्हणना, कार्टून आमचे असले मनीस. I will call him a caricature artist. And when I came to his house, he made me walk in the house of Mr. Shiral Montero and his family. I thought I was walking in a palace. It has been maintained so beautiful that it gave me that feeling what I got when I was very young and I used to go into different houses in my village. I am born and
आमकां तुजेशी परतून एकठांय अकुरी सोडवणेची खुणा कशी उबारल्या त्या तुज्या सेवकांची नदर घाल. ताच्या बोडान भरून ती आपलो दिसपट्टो कुडीस खोशेन व्हरून आनी शुभ वर्तमानाची वाट चलून एक दीस सर्गीचे सूख जोडून पाव. क्रिस्ता आमच्या सोम्या वरवीं. ह्या वेळार कांय मागणी आमी देवा मुखार घालच्या आदी देवाचे उतर आमी आयकले. जाग्योन पावलून फिलिपकारांक बरयल्ले चिटी वेलें वाचो. बाबा भयणीनो, तुमची भावना जेजू क्रिस्ताची भावना जावन तो देवाच्या सोयबाचो तरी ताणें ही देवाची गोत आशेन सांबाळूंक ना, पूण गुलामाचो आकार घेवन आनी मनशा सारको जावन ताणें आपणाकूच काली केलो. मनशा भाशेन जिवन त्यागून ओदीक तो कालतो जालो, मोरो पर्यान आनी कुर्सार मोरो पर्यान खालतो. देखूनच देवान ताका वयर उबारलो आनी सगळ्या नांवां परस व्हडतें नांव ताका दिलें. देवाचें उतर हें
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it louder for Brass and his troupe. That is Serilda, Roseanne, Leandra.
प्रकाश कड़ेकर for Herald TV.